Joel, you can't be it like that. You have to be like over here.
You just trying to get it.
I don't want to get in the shade.
So the reason why you can't sit on that side is there's glass here, and that glass is the place where if it fails, it's gonna fail. So you're too close to that side yet.
Talking to you. And that's how windmills work. So let's
It's not blowing out any wind. I made it just so it would.
I feel really warm one.
I feel the wind from
Is it blowing on the other side? Oh, now it's blowing. This is a really bad source of air conditioning. I think it's
Graham,
Oh, yeah.
you cannot stand on that side of the table. If there's an issue with the steam engine, people on that side are gonna get hurt.
I think there's enough cave vents out there. Wyatt, there's enough cave vents out there.
Number 85. Are you gonna put it on right now, dude? This is bad idea. Bad idea. Bad idea.
There's enough cave vents out there air conditioning.
Yeah! Did you guys like things?
Yeah.
You should try to modify it.
It's a windmill. Mom.
It was like, like, see if you can add something else to it somehow.
Add my foot to it, see if I can. I'm small enough.
What if you add like people?
Could the Legos go any faster than that? I think I won't.
I'll ride that.
Pull out a little bit farther, see if it'll go faster.
Matt, I would ride that. You would? Yeah. Will the roller coaster ever hit the fan, you guys?
Let's go down to 2 There's no cave vents out there air conditioning. Look, there's that and robotic stairs and they got hit in the face.
Why is this in the background?